Woohoo, my love. From luxury resorts and hotels to roughing it this weekend, huh?
Yes, we're at Billy's what?
Billy's campsite.
Campsite.
And we're not camping, we're glamping. The farm's name is Pendoring Kraal and we're staying in Billy's campsite.
Yeah.
But it's rough.
It's
It's
rough.
it's rough glamping.
It's outside glamping.
Yeah, it's not luxury glamping. You get luxury glamping. This is
For the people, I think, that like 4x4, doing their own thing, cooking their water to start and all that.
yeah, because they've got a wild camping here as well.
Yes.
That you can bring your 4x4 and you can come and camp here.
Four cars.
But we are in just before the Cederberg mountain.
Yeah, you take the Algeria.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You take the
turn-off.
Algeria turn-off from the N7 and then you get to this amazing place. It's not far from the turn-off. Beautiful, I like it.
Yeah.
This is my kind of thing, I like it.
So you can book the whole area if you want to, or if you just want to book for 2, there's 4 sleep here.
4 sleep, yeah. But
But
let's
it's
go and show them.
best to book the whole place.
Yeah, let's go and show
It's
them.
very, very affordable.
Yeah, it's very
Come
cheap.
have a look.
Yeah. And just before we go, there's a undercover parking for you there as well.
Yeah.
I just want to unpack and then I will.
Yeah, because it's hot
I
in
will
this
put
area.
my car there, yeah.
Very hot in this area.
Mama, watch out for the snakes, nee?
Nee, los my uit.
Yeah, it's hot today. Oh, it's hot. It feels like 37.
Sjoe.
Luckily, there's not a hot tub here. It's just a cold
Cold pool. A cold
a
pool.
plunge pool.
Yes.
But it's quite nice. Look at this. This is
Yeah.
like a real campsite.
This is
Look
like
at this.
the whole area.
It's yours, yeah.
Yeah, this is a 2-sleep tent.
That's the one
We're
tent.
not going to open that one because it's exactly the same as that one.
as that one, yeah.
But let's start in the entertainment area.
Yeah, this is they call this the clubhouse.
The clubhouse,
Yeah.
yeah. So as every clubhouse have a stoep, this one's got a stoep as well.
Yeah, lekker.
And
It's
this
like a
is
deck.
for having drinkies.
Ooh,
When the
we
18th hole, the 19th hole is here.
Mama, I'm definitely going to have a drinky here.
Me
Huh?
too, me too.
Definitely.
En nie lang van nou af.
Yeah, it's nice and cool here with
Yeah.
this breeze coming through. Look at
Yes.
that. There's a window.
Oh, there's a door.
It's also open at the top there. That's
Yeah, and
why.
there's another door you can open
Yeah,
if
that's
you want
why.
some more breeze.
That's why there's a nice breeze
Yeah.
here. Okay.
There you can
there's-
sit, but it's a bit sunny there for now. Tonight we can sit there
Yeah.
with that solar jar.
Oh,
there.
there's the solar
it's gonna
lights,
be
yeah.
nice. Okay, and then if you come in here, you can open these doors up.
I think we must do that, yeah, but not now, later on.
Later
we open
on.
the whole thing up.
Yes. Okay, so come inside.
It's quite nice, man.
Yeah,
Wow.
it's quite nice. They've got a
Jeez.
leather couch here. My word.
Yeah,
Very
in the wild.
nice,
Huh?
yeah.
Sitting on leather in the
Ooh,
wild.
luxury in the wild.
Sissa.
I'm sitting between the wild. And then in the winter, if you want to
Lekker
come in the
kachel.
winter, there's like a kachel.
You know how hot this thing makes a room?
Yeah.
This is an amazing thing.
It feels like it's on.
Yeah, it's hot in here.
Yeah.
It's hot in here.
Yeah,
Yeah, and there's a bookshelf for.
Yes, if you just want to chill and read a book.
Yeah, I'm sure.
There's a
Yeah,
lot
there's
you can
all the
choose
South
from.
African, everything that you can do in South Africa, and all the.
En lekker kniekombersies daarbo.
Yeah. You can get very clever here if you read all of this. You're gonna know your country. You're gonna know your country. Mama,
Yeah.
there's more. Then because it's four sleep, so they need 4 seats.
More
Yeah.
place, yeah.
Okay.
And then this is the kitchen area. You can sit here and have
They gave us some
dinner or whatever.
nice mangoes,
From the farm, they say.
fresh from the farm.
From the farm.
They actually grow it here. Oh wow. Okay.
Nou, ons lus vir so enetjie op.
Yeah, that's gonna be lekker. After the monster.
Yes, and on this side you've got a gas stove with.
Old coffee kettle.
What is this?
Huh?
What is this made of?
I don't know, but my grandmother had one like that,
Yeah.
and they made moer coffee in that.
Yes,
There was
and
like a little bag in there. Yeah, there's no
Yeah.
bag in here, but there was a bag in here. You put the moer coffee in.
I also had this castrol and goed from the same material that they put on the stove.
but
I
that's
remember.
ancient.
Yes.
But it still works.
It still
Why
works. Okay, and on this side you've got all the cutlery and all the pans
Pots
and
and
pots.
pans.
They've got this as a braaibak because it's only for 4 or 2 people.
That's a little braaibak, Mama. We're gonna have to give these people a present. There's a grater at least.
Yeah, there's
Oh, look at this. A jaffle maker. Oh,
Oh, with 3!
wow, look at this.
That is great.
Wow, I haven't seen this
That's
before.
great.
A
Wow.
jaffle maker. Did you bring some bread?
No, unfortunately not.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, I didn't know.
Yeah, I didn't know either.
But now you know, so bring some bread.
Yeah.
Make some Klekker curry jaffles.
Oh, Mama, stop it. Stop it. You know it's my favorite.
There's some glasses that you can use. Coffee en daar's die oudtydse moer
Oh, yeah.
koffiegoeders.
Mama, actually, I brought our tumblers because I knew we're going to do camping, rough camping.
Okay.
So I brought our tumblers and I know the ice will stay in
there
forever. And it's hot outside.
Okay, that's a very
that
good
tumbler
call.
saved me in Thailand
Yes,
this year.
I know.
There's some nice chopping boards. There's knives.
Yeah,
Lekker, everything you need. Okay.
And then there's all the plates and the stuff that you need.
Yeah.
Ice buckets if you want to make some more
I
ice.
brought my own ice.
Yes.
Mama, this is a zinc with a nice view.
Yes, the
huh?
view, yes.
Look at that view. Mooi.
I think what
You're gonna-
I'll do is I'll stand here and you can wash the dishes.
You're just gonna
And
watch
I'll
the.
just look
You're just gonna
outside.
look at the view.
I'm on patrol and
Now
you
you
wash
see,
the dishes.
you're too used to dishwashers now. All over where we go, there's dishwashers, and now you don't want to be the dishwasher anymore.
No,
Oh, gata.
I'm expensive.
There's a bin.
A bin,
Oh, lekker big
a nice
fridge
big
freezer.
fridge
Yes, that's a lekker big one, huh?
Yeah, so you can make a lot of ice.
Yeah, so we can unpack everything in there.
Yes, yes, yes.
Lekker, Mama. No aircon to this weekend, huh? No aircon.
No aircon.
We're gonna have to sit in the
Oh,
breeze, but I
goodness.
think we're gonna sit in that tub
Yeah,
like every day.
yeah. All
The
day
whole
long.
day.
All day long.
It's like a hot tub. It's just not hot. But I mean, it's hot. In Klein Willem, this area, you don't need hot water.
No, you don't need
But it's nice. I like it next to the rocks, huh?
Yeah,
That's
very
very
rustic,
nice.
eh?
Yeah, it's cool.
Yeah.
So we're gonna enjoy that.
Okay.
And then
On
this
this
way,
side,
there's so
okay,
many.
there's a braai area.
Oh yeah, this is the,
the
braai area.
You
Yeah.
can have a nice braai here.
We're gonna do a lekker braai tonight.
Yes, a bonfire, I assume.
Lekker.
assume.
There's so many little paths that go past the tent.
But they lead somewhere. I'll
Yeah,
show you.
we must have a look.
Yeah. Okay, so this is the place where you sleep.
The place you say.
Place you sleep.
Mama, this is the playroom, but this playroom
I'm
has got
just gonna
one.
do this. Look.
Playroom has got one problem.
I'm gonna do this, boop, and the beds shift to each other.
Oh shit! It didn't happen.
No, you're gonna make it
Yeah,
happen.
we're gonna do that tonight.
Yeah.
No, we're not gonna sleep apart. We're just gonna move the beds towards each
Yeah.
other and then sleep together.
Yes.
I must feel you in the night, in the evenings.
I know.
While
know,
I'm sleeping.
I know.
Otherwise, I can't
I
sleep.
know.
But this is real camping. Look at this.
I'm gonna do this
This is
tonight.
a camp chair.
I'm gonna do this
Ja,
tonight.
lekker waaiertjie.
I'll put it on my face.
Ja,
And
nice
then I'm
fan.
sorted.
Yeah.
Menopause sorted like this.
I hear there's reception here because my phone is going crazy.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
I thought there's not going to be any reception here.
Yes.
There's another camp chair.
Yeah, if you want to put some outside and you want to sit in a camp chair, you can use
Yeah.
that outside.
Mama,
There's
and show us the
extra
bathroom.
bedding. If you want to have a pee-pee or something else, just follow me. Don't get confused about all the paadjies.
Yeah, there's a lot of paths here.
Yeah, just follow me. We are going to the bathroom now. The bathroom with the toilet.
This is actually just a. Oh yeah, this
A
is not the
basin?
shower.
It's got the basin and a toilet. The
Oh,
shower
okay.
is on the other side.
Yeah, the shower is on the other side.
Yeah.
I saw that. Oh, look at this. They've actually got a thing here in use. I think you move. Oh, vacant. Look at this.
Oh.
Oh, that's cute. Huh?
Okay.
Vacant in use.
Okay, leave it in use.
Hey.
Okay.
Oh, it's a lekker blik deur.
Ja, kyk nou hier.
Yee, puppy.
This is where the roughing comes in.
Mama, you're gonna. Oh, I can somewhere see.
You can somewhere see
This
what?
is a toilet with a view.
There's a view, kyk
Mama, you
hier.
sit on that toilet. Let me go behind you. Look at this view.
My
Puppy.
goodness.
Look at that. Huh? Woo! That's a toilet with a view.
Hallo Mr. Zebra.
Lekker.
Okay, so there's a few rules that you have to follow to use this.
It's a compost
Intrigue
toilet.
toilet.
Yeah, it's a compost toilet.
Yeah, it's a
so
compost
they
toilet.
use sawdust to.
Yes.
Yeah.
But if you do a number one, there's certain steps you have to follow. If you do number two, I don't want to be here.
I see you're gonna hold it in this whole weekend.
And then there you've got the basement where you can do your teeth and brush your teeth, or you can do it on the other side. We'll show you
I
now.
love. Let's look at this. This is where you hang your towel.
Yes.
But it's just a stockie. Look at that.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
My word.
Very innovative.
Yeah. Okay, so there's all the rules.
Yeah.
This
And
is- I
don't
like it that
worry.
it's so open. I like. I
Don't
love
worry, you
it.
won't be sweating because it's
It's
open.
cool. It's actually this is the
Yeah.
coolest room.
Yes.
I'm gonna be on the potty
Okay.
for a few hours.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, let me close there for the baboons.
Yes,
And now take us to the shower.
And if you go the same way, you just follow the path to your tent.
Oh, so just on the other side, yeah?
Yeah, and if you want to, you can just take a shortcut through this side.
Oh yeah, okay. That's
So
why there's so
let's do
many.
it.
That's why there's so many paths.
To the left. To the left.
Olifante, linksom.
Linksom.
Yay. Yes, but it's hot. I think I'm gonna first take a cold shower now.
I'm going to take a Monster and brandy.
Ooh, that's Mama. I love you. I love you.
And this
Wow,
is a
look at
very
this.
interesting
Through the
shower.
rocks, huh?
Yeah, come and look at this.
Jeez.
Very interesting.
Wow.
Huh?
This is so cool, man. Yes. Yeah. Is it? Will I? Yeah, I'll make it.
You
I'll
make it.
easily make it.
Ja,
Yeah.
you easily. Shower,
Okay.
wasie maag.
Ons gaan saam shower, né?
Ja.
This is gonna be a togetherness.
A togetherness. You can brush
Just look
your
at the
teeth
rocks behind
here.
you. Huh? They really. I wonder how they saw this.
And there's
Some
soap.
soaps.
Interesting soap.
Basin
Holder.
on a pedestal of brick.
Yes.
I mean rocks.
Rocks, yeah.
And they've got a little light. It works.
I think people
Okay.
that like camping will love this place.
I think it's great.
Yeah, it's very great.
Look at this. They've got a gas geyser here.
Yeah.
Sure. No, I think it's amazing.
I'm just not sure if I'll come in the winter,
no.
but in summer.
No, in the winter it's going to be
Very
cold because
nice.
everything is open. Look
Open.
behind you, it's
Yeah,
open.
yeah.
This is windows. Yeah, there's windows,
Yeah.
but there's nothing up there.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So now in the winter you will freeze here.
Did you see these? It's a fish
Jeez,
knife.
Look at
A
this.
fish knife that they
I see.
just
And
bent
there's
like
a
that.
spoon.
And there's a
Ach,
spoon.
nooit. And what is this one?
Interesting.
That's the fork.
That's the fork. Oh wow. Okay.
For loco.
For local.
Alright, Mama.
Okay.
Let us go and get all the stuff.
Yes.
And let's do a
I
monster.
want some ice in my mouth.
I want
now.
some monster in my tummy. Whew, this is nice, huh? This is so nice. Mama, I'm just gonna give you your glass. No, there's just brandy in it. Shit, it.
Amper.
Just hold that one for
Ja,
me.
so. Ook, maar het lijkt of je goed in is, zo baie is die in.
Oei, oei.
Ja.
I'm gonna pour us some monster, puppy.
It's a big
I'm
monster.
telling you, I'm sweating like a pig now. This is the right spot to be now, huh?
Ja.
Woo. How's that? I've got a wooden stump here now, and it doesn't want to. It floats. So
sit
I'm
on
just
it.
gonna sit on it, yeah. I'm just gonna make it sink.
There you go.
Oh, this is lekker, huh? This is nice.
Lekker.
Wow.
Nou kan je ophou sweet.
Cheers, my love.
Cheers.
Welcome in the wilderness. And I just thought to myself, you know what? You can take the girl to the wilderness, to the wild, but you can never take the bling out of the girl. I see your tablecloth here. It's gold, it's bling, huh?
A girl must have a tablecloth.
You, yeah.
Huh?
You,
In
you.
the bush,
not,
anywhere
not
you
all the
want.
girls. I'm sure the campers don't do that.
I'm sure there's some of it. And ook Tinka does that.
Mama, cheers. I just want to just put this
Drink
down.
it, drink it.
Oh,
Mag je ijs voor eeuwig houden?
oh, this is nice. I just put another song on, otherwise I'm gonna get
Tired.
sleepy here. Oh, this is so nice, huh? Jeez. I'm glad. I'm glad the water isn't cold.
Ja.
It's like just look,
Ja.
because it's freaking hot. You people, you don't understand.
I don't know how the people live in this place of the
Me neither.
part of the
I
of
just
the
thought that
world.
same thing. I don't know how they can live here. It is freaking hot.
Jeez.
Oh. And you're sitting in a farm dam, a plaasdam, huh? Lekker. We just need some fishes here, huh? Then we're in a proper plaasdam. Huh? I must, you know those kois we saw in Thailand? We must put them in here.
I'm all with it. I'm not going to sit in here.
They will nibble on your feet.
Nibble everywhere. Bite your feet off.
Uh,
But don't you just love this around?
I love it. I love it. I love it. I'm so in my. You can see I'm in my element. Huh? I'm just loving it here. This is so cool. Definitely, I can recommend this for two couples.
Yes.
You and your best friends.
Yeah,
Bring
that
them
will
with.
be very nice.
This will be an amazing spot.
Yeah.
Because there's nobody around you. You're all on
Nobody.
your own. There's literally nobody here.
Yeah.
There's
You can play music but not too loud. And then-
whoa. He said you can play music, but when there's campers up there,
Oh yeah.
they don't want in the evenings too late.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
To play
Because the
music.
campers are that way, but it's quite a way.
it's
But
a
I know music travel a long
Yeah.
way.
There's another site. It's a caravan built into something. We must have a look
We
there
must
tomorrow.
walk. No, we must walk there and grab a
Yeah,
look.
and show them what you also can rent.
Maybe later.
Yeah, when it's a bit cool.
Cooler, yeah. We're just gonna sit here for a while. Oh, this is now nice. Oh,
Oh yeah, and this you can also bring your furry friends with. It's pet friendly.
pet friendly, yeah.
But there's one thing: there's no Wi-Fi.
There's
So
no
if you
wi-
come,
there's
be
lit-
prepared to shut off everything.
Yeah, there's a little bit of signal here.
Little bit.
I
Just
haven't
for the emergency.
I haven't checked my phone yet, but I heard that there was something coming through.
Yeah, it's just slow internet.
Is it?
It's very slow
Yeah,
on
but-
your own.
Hey, here you don't want internet. You don't.
That's what I
You want to
say.
disconnect.
If you want to come here, come disconnect.
You
from
want to
everything.
disconnect, yeah.
Yeah.
No, I love it. I love
Just
it.
gaan bos.
I will stay here for a couple of days. I promise you, I would love it. Just not in this heat. It's it's too hot. I think if you come here end of March, April, May, around about there, it'll be
May.
very nice.
It's May not going to be cold yet.
It's not that cold yet.
Oh.
No, it's not that cold yet. But I promise you, I mean, people camp in the winter,
In the snow.
in the snow.
everything.
So
yeah.
I mean, the campers will love this. Huh?
Yeah,
Yes.
especially that clubhouse.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh,
if you can-
with a kacheltjie.
Yeah.
That's gonna be
Very,
nice.
very nice.
So,
What an adventure.
Oh.
My goodness.
I'm so glad I can rip you out of your comfort zone, huh?
Yeah, not for too long, but I'll do it.
My love, I think this is a good time while we're in the
Yeah,
water
yeah.
and drinking the
I get your drift.
the brandy.
I get
think,
your drift.
Yeah, you catch me, huh?
I
I
get
think
you.
it's a good time. We're so excited and amazed that BC Wines gave us another Magnum bottle, 3 liter, half tin wine, huh? Oh
And
my
it's
goodness.
just not any kind of wine. There's a 1,300 rand bottle of wine.
Yeah, yeah.
My goodness.
BC Wines half tin.
Yeah.
Oh.
And you just don't have to do too much to win it.
Well, anyway, I'm still at the point where I can't believe they give us all this wine to
Yeah.
give away.
What a
But
pleasure.
yeah, BC Wines, thank you very much.
Yeah.
We really appreciate it. We really enjoy your wine and we
Yes.
enjoy giving it away as well.
Yes.
And our viewers also
We like
enjoy
sharing.
it. Yeah, our viewers also enjoy it. But anyway, to win this bottle,
Yeah.
you must go to our Facebook page, Doing It Together, and share it to as many people as you can. The one with the most shares
Yes.
will win this bottle.
Yeah, but you still have to do something else
Yeah,
as well.
but we can check that.
You must go to YouTube, comment on the do a comment on this video and say,
I want the Magnum wine.
I want the Magnum wine.
Just that. I want the Magnum wine. That's going to be on the YouTube at the bottom of the video or in the comments of the video. And then you go to our Facebook and you share our Facebook page. You share it.
Share
frot.
that. Yeah.
Share
I
it
just
frot.
wanted to say something else. Yeah, and then when you win this wine, we will the courier will come and
Deliver it.
deliver it at your home. And you know what? You don't have to wait for the plane to go over.
You can just
Jy
open
kan
it.
9:30 al begin drink.
Skerp, mama. Skerp. And then when you open it and you drink it, send us a picture.
Yes, please.
Send us a picture.
Drink so uit die bottel
Yeah,
uit.
either on our WhatsApp or on our Facebook page.
Och,
Send
dit
us a
sal
picture.
great wees.
Yeah, that'll be very nice.
Ons hou daarvan as ons kliënte ons produkte gebruik.
Ja. Remember, hè? Woo. Cheers, my love. Lekker, huh? That was nice. That was very nice. I can't believe it's almost 5:45.
Yeah, and it's
20 to 6, huh?
this hot outside.
It's so freaking hot.
Yeah.
I don't believe it and I don't understand it.
I'm gonna sleep under the stars tonight.
Oh,
Hey?
We can do that, nee? We can actually. Let's freaking do that. Let's carry our beds out in the middle here. Let's do that. Will you do it?
If there's no mosquitoes.
Okay, let's check tonight. When it's there's not gonna be mosquitoes here. There's no water here, nothing. Let's do it.
Let's see.
Let's do it. That's gonna be so cool. Under the stars, huh? Making love under the stars.
Hey, my
Papi,
goodness.
on that. Yo, that's good. I see the perfect spot. Right there. Right there. Huh? Next to that tree. Yeah, in the shade there. Well, tonight there's going to be no shade, but under the stars.
shade.
Yes, that's going to be lekker.
Yeah.
If the wind dies down.
Yeah.
It's not a big wind here.
No, it's just,
Just,
like a breeze.
it's just, yeah.
It's just not coming here.
We need it. We need
You
it.
must open that door, maybe.
Did you see I opened that
hatch.
the hatch there by the kachel?
Yeah.
Yes. Well, thank you for the snackies.
Oh, it's a pleasure.
Oh,
Just to fill
I'm
up
so-
that little
yeah.
gat in
Well,
your mouth.
I've got a big gaatjie. It's not actually not a gaatjie, it's a gat. Yeah. I'm quite hungry this morning. Oh, this afternoon.
I just want some of this.
But
Nice. Big
Oh,
and
did you see that
fat.
yellow fat, huh? Look at this. Oh my word, look at that yellow fat. Yo. Nice. And I also like this. What is that? That's silverside
Silverside ham.
ham. Silverside ham wrapped with
The cheese slab.
that cheese slab is here. Oh, that's also quite nice.
You don't like the slabs, but with that you
You
like
ma-
the slabs.
yeah, it's funny, no?
Yeah.
I don't like those cheese slabs. It tastes like Melrose.
Yeah, that's the thing.
Yeah. But in that I can eat it. But this is nice. This sweet chili sauce. Oh. Oh. I love my life, huh?
I just want to eat slowly because otherwise I'm getting hard.
My life. Will you stay here with me for a week? Let's stay a week.
You'll have to pay me a lot.
Huh? Just imagine you can be in your swimsuit. I can be in my speedo the
Yeah.
whole day, walking around, going for hikes.
That's good, but I'm just a bit worried about the sleeping arrangements in the night.
You think it's gonna be cold?
No, too hot.
Too hot. No, man, it's gonna cool down, man.
I hope so.
It's gonna cool down, I promise you.
Ooh.
Oh. It's definitely, look at how the cars come down there, you see the dust there.
Oh yeah,
That's
where
that,
are they going?
That's that mountain pass, that goes to Algeria.
Oh,
The
oh,
Algeria
still
camps.
continuing.
Yeah, just over this hill is Algeria campsite.
Oh, I remember.
Yeah.
Okay.
So Mama, we're eating now. What are we gonna eat tonight? What are we buying? What did you bring?
If you can stand the making a fire,
Mama, it's gonna cool down, relax, it's gonna cool down.
we are going to do the deboned thigh
Oh.
skewer, the barbecue one.
My favorite.
And the surprise is I bought a steak one as well with nice fat on it.
A steak skewer.
A steak skewer.
Ram steak.
Yes.
Oh,
And then
oh no.
the nice, we had it a long time ago, the artisan breads.
Oh, those
The
garlic
garlic artisan
breadies.
breads,
Oh
yes.
yeah, lekker. Oh, yes,
And
I
the
love them.
nice
Yeah.
noodle salad.
Oh, lekker. That is the
Basic,
perfect, Mama.
plain
It's the
food.
perfect food for camping.
For camping.
It's the perfect food
Als
for
op een
camping.
stokkie.
Lekker,
Lekker
je
makkelijk.
vat een stokje, druk om je bek, dan gaat je. Lekker, hè? Baby, let me love you.
Hey!
Baby, let me love you. Huh? Woo! Oh, that was so nice. Now I can go on for another half an hour.
And then in
Huh?
again.
And then in again, yeah. Oh, what dippie is this?
Ons noem het sip and dip.
Sip and dip, sip and dip, yeah. Sip, dip and eat. Oh, my love, you must tell me when we must stop going to these places.
What?
This is not a normal life. You're not supposed to have so much fun so often. Huh? You're not supposed to be like this.
You can write books about your life.
I'm telling you, my life is just ridiculous. I love it. I love it to death, but
To death. Don't
To death.
mention that
I
word.
love it to death, but it's not normal. Hey, and the JBL is gooiing, puppy, huh?
Just
It's
so
got
soft.
it's soft. Where's the done? It's got a nice bass in here.
Listen, we can put it harder because there's nobody around.
Yeah, we can
If there's campers, you must
we can
just...
play loud music. Why not? It's still flipping 6 o'clock, man.
Oh yeah. The curfew is 10 o'clock.
Whoa! I love the bass.
Another 4 hours of going strong.
This little cubicle. It gives a nice bass, huh?
Yeah.
I don't know if you can hear it on the mics, but yeah, it's a nice bass. It's like a disco.
Yeah. Yeah, we've got this
Yeah.
these
they've-
thingamajigs that go around
they've
they
got
like disco balls
They've got CDs hanging all over
for the doves.
for the doves, and every now and again she asks, look at it. She asks me,
Who's taking
who's
a photo?
taking pictures? It looks like flashes.
We just discovered another secret place. Let's show them.
Really, mother? Mother? Huh?
Sunka place.
Sun-
Sunka.
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 Sunka camp.
Sunka camp.
I just flew the drone and I saw it here and I said, no, it's too far to walk.
It's too hot to
It is
walk.
too hot to walk, so I've still got my Speedo on. She didn't want to walk like this. She was scared that the farmer is going to be here. But the farmer is not here.
The farmer is not here.
So I'm just walking. I
Let's
don't
see
care.
what's happening here.
Ooh, look at this.
Wow. Lekker. O, lekker.
Huh?
Kom
Is
kyk
Is
hier.
het lekker?
Kom kyk hier.
Oh, wow.
Ag nee, kyk hoe lekker lyk dit.
Wow.
Ah,
Jeez, this is quite
Another
nice.
cold
The
pool.
same pool as ours.
and look at this.
Wow.
Interesting.
Imagine you sitting here in the
Yeah.
mornings having a
Oh,
breakfast
how
and a coffee.
romantic.
Huh?
This is so romantic.
Wow.
Yes, so
Sunka.
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 And you stay in a
In
caravan.
a built-in caravan.
Let's see if the door is open.
No, it's not.
There's a key.
Huh?
Look at this.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow. So we can have a sneak peek.
I think you left it in for us to come
Maybe.
film it, yeah.
But
But look at this, Mama.
this is quite
Nice. You know, this is
crazy.
nice and in the shade because
Yeah.
it's behind the rock.
Yes. Oh,
this is
my
quite
Lord,
cool.
I like this.
Like a braaiplek there.
Oh.
Hey, you like it?
Yeah, I love
Oh my
it.
goodness, when you laugh
I
like that.
love it.
Oh wow.
Look at this.
Wow, wow.
This is
Huh?
quite amazing.
Jeez.
Wow.
This is cool.
Yeah, come in. There's
There's
another
also
stove
yeah,
there.
lekker kacheltjie.
And a lekker
I
sitkamertjie.
want to go in there. Look at this nice fridge.
Fridge,
This is that
yeah.
the
The
camp
camping
fridge.
fridge.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's see what's
Fridge
inside
freezer.
here. Oh, I love it.
Yo.
Look at that.
In a caravan.
In
you're
a
gonna
caravan.
feel if you camp here, you're gonna feel like you're camping in Hartenbos, huh?
Ja. Oh, lekker bed.
Yes, see,
Oh,
mama.
'n lekker bed.
You feel like you're at the ocean, at the sea.
Ja, where's the sea?
just
I want to
bloody
go and swim. Oh, wow.
Yes, see, this is cool.
Nice.
I like it. I like it a
Flip.
lot. And then this side,
It's a sitting
kids-
area.
oh, kids can sleep
ons
there. You
kids
see with
kan
the pillows,
sleep daar,
yeah.
ja.
so it's actually also a four-sleeper.
Ja, but I'll come here just for the romantic
Yeah,
stuff.
this is quite romantic, man. Jeez.
Oh, wow.
Yella, this is so cool.
Sunka.
Sunka camp.
Wow.
So if you want to book it, book the Sunka camp.
Ja,
if
dis-
you want romance.
If you want to have a camp life.
And if you want to come with your friends, you book Billy's camp.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
For 4 people.
Ja.
Lekker. I like it.
Phew.
I like it a lot.
I like it a lot.
Jeez. I'm telling you, people are getting more
Innovative.
cleverer and cleverer and cleverer.
The word
huh?
is innovative.
Innovative.
Yeah.
You can't believe. I mean, look at this rock. Look at that rock.
Now I can't get
Why will you... Don't lock it,
Ja, must lock it.
but leave the key in there.
Oh, you know, I won't take the key.
Okay, sorry. How can you, when you've got a farm like this and you see this rock, then you must have an idea of what
Idea.
you want to do.
Yeah.
I will not be
Especially
able
when
to
you
see
put the chairs and the table
Yeah.
down there.
I don't know. I won't see this, but this is quite cool.
Very
I like
nice.
it. I like it a lot.
Wow.
Okay, my love, come back. Luckily, we drove here,
Yeah.
but I must say, it's actually quite nice to walk around with your speedo.
Yeah, and it's nearly 7 o'clock and it's still like this
Yeah,
hot.
it's hot. And the
Hey?
sun is still up. I think the
Jeez.
sun only goes down 20
Whenever.
to 8 or something.
Yeah.
That's almost there. It's almost there.
Sure.
Okay, madame, if you hold that, I will open the door for you.
Oh my word, it's just getting better and better this weekend.
It's the speedo butler.
Oh, the butler is opening car doors, making food, pouring drinks.
Oh, my love. I'll even close it for you.
Oh, wow.
You in?
Yep.
I say.
Don't go!
I'm just going to fetch some fire lighters. I forgot the fire lighters in the car.
Okay.
There's a million ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready.
I've got the braai lighters. I've got the fire lighter. I've got my Higo se lang tang,
I'll say.
so I can go and light the
And
fire.
light the fire. Yes,
I think a mosquito just came to sit on my face.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, there's definitely mosquitoes here.
So must I go and close that tent?
Close the tent.
Oh,
And I
shibbit.
think you just leave the bed where it is.
Oh,
Otherwise,
no.
we're gonna be swollen up like this tomorrow morning. And yes, your handbag.
Thank you. What a day, what a night.
My love, you can't tell me. You can't tell me that this isn't the life, huh?
Yeah, it's very nice.
You're enjoying it, huh?
It's nice, yeah.
You're enjoying it. I know you're enjoying
I'm
it.
not sure for how long I will be able to keep it up, but
Well, I'm gonna.
It's nice.
I'm gonna check it out now. I'm gonna book another 5 nights.
oh my word.
So we're gonna be here for a week. How can
Okay.
you not love this?
Okay, luckily, Klein William is just half an hour away. So that's not bad.
You're gonna visit my sister.
I'm going to visit the shops.
Okay, she's
your
gonna
sister.
stay there for 5 nights. I'm gonna stay here for 7 nights.
Yeah.
No, I love this. This is very nice.
Yeah.
And I must say, the wind is dying down, but I enjoy this wind.
It's much cooler. It's
much
better.
cooler, yeah. I actually put pants on.
Yeah.
And soon I'm gonna put some
some-
shirt on.
Yeah.
Because I can feel it's getting cold now.
Yeah.
Not cold, but it's cooler.
Yeah. So how's the 10 o'clock wine treating you?
Oh, papi, hierdie 10 o'clock wine. BC's the 10 o'clock wine.
Yeah.
Loving it.
I know you're going to push it through till 11 o'clock.
Only 11. 10:30, papi. 10:30.
10:30. Luckily, we've got another bottle 10 o'clock.
Yeah, I must say, this one is very nice. It's got 2 golden stickers as well.
Yeah, that you
I enjoy it.
Yeah, and one of the stickers is a top 10 producer in South Africa.
Wow.
Dat
top
wil
10.
gedoen word.
Papi. Dis is
Jo.
sommer net so 'n kellertjie. But I can taste it. I taste the top 10. 10 o'clock, top 10. Everything to do with 10.
Yes, good stuff.
Come on, Winnie, you're gonna take a wine. You're still on the brandy and coke.
When this one is finished,
You want a wine?
I'm
but
going to
you're gonna
take the
have
other bottle 10
I just want
o'clock.
to say, you're gonna have to hurry up because there's only about 1.5 glasses left.
Okay, but I know there's another bottle of BC wine in the fridge.
And that's a Sauvignon Blanc.
So I'll take that one as well.
This is what I'm enjoying this now. Did you see the evening star?
Yeah,
Look at that.
beautiful.
Beautiful. Yo, this is just next level. It feels like I'm at either Africa Burn or Tankwa Dreams or
Oh, excuse me.
feels like I'm
Yeah.
I'm in nature and there's nothing around me.
yeah.
Huh? It's crazy. We can put this a little bit louder.
Yeah, it's very
Depressing.
boring.
I feel if there's a song that's a little bit faster,
Yeah.
I feel like doing the reel.
Oh
But I want to take my
goodness.
shoes off when I do the
Oh
reel.
shit, let me just walk because I've got hay fever.
Hey fever, nee man. Ja, like that.
Dit lyk soos 'n hoender wat skrop man.
Die stof moet staan. Hulle gooi hom so, o, nou mors ek. Hulle gooi hom so.
Jy kan 10 uur se wyn mors hê.
Sorry 10 uur. Ja. This is actually the perfect music for this
Open sky.
country. It feels like we're in the Karoo. Huh? It feels like the
You
Karoo.
just want to look up all the time.
Yeah. Well, the Tanka Karoo is just over these mountains.
A bit farther away.
It's not far. We've driven this with our bikes. We've driven this a lot of times. It's like 20 k's that side.
Oh.
Yeah, it's quick, you're there. My life, I've got like a little pikey here. You see?
Yeah.
Where I'm dancing.
Did you see what our feet look like?
Yeah.
Vanaand hou ons varkie aan.
I'm gonna shower you tonight.
Oh, goodness
I'm gonna have to clean you.
gracious, Great ball of fire.
Oh, I must say, thank you very much for doing this for me. I know this is totally out of your comfort zone,
Yes, it is, but it's
but
all right.
you're enjoying
I like it.
Yeah. Because I know I make it lekker for you.
Yeah, I just do it for you. You know that.
But thank
All
you.
I do for you.
But thank you anyway. This is really, it's stunning the way you handle the rough. Huh? The tough and the rough.
Oh, okay.
It's not tough. This is very nice. This is actually quite cool.
Yeah, there's a bathroom, there's a toilet,
It was
there's
just
a
hot.
clubhouse.
It was just hot today. And you
But
didn't
that,
like the hot.
That pool that worked
Yeah,
wonders.
that pool worked out.
Yeah.
Woo.
Let me just show them something.
What? Oh!
Just this one thing
Oh
I
my
want to
word!
show you.
Huh? I also want to
I
see it.
sell
Show the
this at
backside.
our spa.
Oh, nee.
Look at that fat.
Oh, nee. Huh? I want to. It's not a lot.
It's not a lot.
It's not a lot. Are we gonna fight for this one?
No, I'm going to take that one. One with the most fat.
And I will give it to you.
Yeah, this?
Yo, that looks so. That looks like yellow fat.
I think it's the color of the
The
spice
blood or the spice, yeah. It's a barbecue
Yeah,
spice.
and
Yo,
then-
that
and then-
looks flippin' lekker.
Then we've got the chicken one, and then
Are you,
we've,
oh, artisan.
we had that so long ago.
Yeah, the artisan.
Yeah, I missed it, and today at Spar they had stock, so lekker.
Artisan garlic bread. That's the one that's the one that's so soft and melty
Yeah, it's
inside.
got cheese and herbs.
They inserted. Yeah, I remember this.
Yeah.
I can't wait to get this thing in my mouth. I just want to, and I'm gonna cook it.
Yeah, please.
I'm just gonna. Oh,
Lekker,
my
man.
word, huh?
Sit
What
it up.
spice is on here?
I
It
don't
looks so nice.
Just beef.
I'm not gonna put anything else on it. Oh my goodness, it looks so nice.
Shit.
Look at that. We're gonna fight for that one.
No, that's
We're
mine
gonna
already.
fight for that
I told
one.
you already.
Yeah.
Hey, this Yigo's long tongue has got many uses, right?
Ek sien ja.
Ja.
Ja, but this thing is so freaking hot.
Yeah.
Well done, my love. And now this one, this is the deboned chicken thighs. Oh, just amper I dropped it. I almost dropped it. My Engels raak op. Oh.
O, hel, hy lyk dan nou soos 'n kreef.
Ah, look at that.
Hoe lyk die ding dan nou soos 'n kreef?
Ooh, mama, this is gonna be freaking amazing. Yeah, okay, put it down. Yeah, so I'd put it down.
I'll take it
I'll-
slowly.
I'll
Ek sal hierdie tang goed werk.
You know, I'll just do this quickly. That's gonna be quick. Oh, because wait. I say,
help you.
okay, wait. I say. Okay. Listen to that sizzle.
That one is
What do you call this?
mine.
What do you call this? This is a surf and turf. No, not surf and turf.
No, fish. Fish is
this
surf
is
and
chicken and steak.
Yeah.
What is that?
That means you're
Kippie turf.
You're a vegan and I'm a vleisvreter.
It's kippie turf. No?
Oh, kippie
Because
turf.
surf and turf,
Yeah.
the turf is the beef.
Yeah.
And this is a kippie, it's kippie turf.
Okay, that's a good name. Kippie turf.
Ha! Man! Waar's my glas wyn? Woo! I lost it. I lost it when I...
No,
Huh?
I've just
Oh, thank you,
borrowed
thank you.
it.
Oh, I thought I lost it when I went to fetch the meat. Ooh, my love, I don't want this evening to stop.
Yeah, I know.
I just love it. Whew. But we're just gonna braai now because I'm just scared the coals are gonna go down. I'm gonna braai now and then we just leave the meat. till tomorrow
You
morning.
can leave your meat, but that piece I'm gonna take as soon as it gets off this.
I thought I'm gonna catch you here. When you go to sleep, I'm gonna sneak out
No.
and eat the steak. And
you-
then tomorrow morning I'm gonna tell you there was a freaking rat. There was a
Yeah.
rat.
I had the same plan in my head. I was just thinking, you're only gonna have one because you don't eat so much. Then there's one left. And then in the middle of the night,
Rats.
I'm gonna go and
Rats.
snatch
No, there's
it.
dassies here. There's dassies. Dassies like meat. Oh, lekker. I love it when we make plans.
So
huh?
what's it? I love it when a plan comes together.
Yeah, but this one is not gonna come together. We're gonna do this one together. My love, tonight at the table, I decided to put the music off.
Yeah. Listen to it.
Listen to it. Can you hear it?
Crickets.
It's crazy.
Crick, 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 crick.
There's owls. There's owls.
Owls.
This is amazing.
Yeah.
I really feel like I'm in the bushveld.
Oh, and I know then you've got the sunbeasties in your ears
Yeah, I've got
also.
some tinnitus here, but the
I
sun,
mean-
the sunbeam is always there.
You always have an extra sound. That's
But I
great.
hear the crickets.
Yeah.
That's, you
Because
can't, you
they're
can't,
so
you
loud.
can't miss it. Mama, what have we
Luckily,
got?
there's no paraatjies.
You put this bottle of wine. I emptied the wine's finished. Mama, it's gone. It's
Oh,
klaar.
so sorry.
Ja, dat 10 uur het nie 11 uur gesien nie. Okay, so I'm going to open us a new bottle. You want white wine?
Ja, please.
Lekker Sauvignon Blanc.
Yo,
BC Sauvignon Blanc.
ek love
Two
hierdie
stickers.
bottles met die stickers.
2 stickers, papi.
Yes,
2
goeie
stickers.
stickers.
You want the Sauvignon? I am going to have, because we're having
Thank you.
steak, I'm going to cup a rooi wijntje tonight. A red wine, also BC. This is the Pinotage. Oh, yes, Pinotage. My eyes are getting bad, huh?
Very nice label. I love that bronze.
Oh, this is going to be lekker. And my love, there's a mot. I made your steak. Just right. Look at this.
I just see where my piece
I
is.
see it. I'm going to give it to you. No, I'm going to give it. Look, it's still bleeding. Oh, good. You see there? Oh, my word.
lekker.
Look at that
Ai,
redness.
sit dit neer, sit dit neer.
Lekker. I love
Dankie dat
it.
ek die lekkerste stuk
Yeah,
kan
you see
kry.
what's left for me.
There's one with fat at the back.
A little bit of
That
fat.
one at the back.
That one?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll take 2 then.
There's another one with fat. Take it.
No, I don't want that much. I want some 2 kippies because I love these kippies. Oh, they're nice. You also want one. I'm going to
Yeah,
give you
thank
this
you.
lekker crispy one.
Thank you.
And that's enough for you?
That's enough for me.
I made us the artisan bread. Oh, I can feel how soft it is. Huh? I can't wait to put this
Oh, thank
in my mouth.
Yeah.
I
And
re-
there's a noodle
I remember
salad.
one evening, I think it was in Durbanville. I smoked this thing, remember?
Oh, yes, I remember. Yeah.
I smoked it. Well, this is actually the ideal place to smoke a joint. So let's cup it, Papi. A garlic joint. A lekker noodle salad. You also want some?
Yeah, just a little bit.
I asked you and then I put my... Okay,
You put your
my English is really
foot in
going
your
now.
mouth.
My English is really going now. I think it's the 10 uur.
I'll do
I
that.
want
wanna-
to do it special. I want to
Okay,
do it
just
for
a
you.
little bit.
I know.
Yeah, thanks.
Just like that.
Good.
My English is really leaving me. Hoe sê
Okay,
mens
sê dit maar in
hoe sê
Afrikaans.
mens skep in?
Skip in.
Skep in Engels. Ek skep
Skep
in
in.
vir my voordat ek vir jou inskep. My
Maar
love,
ek gee nie om.
let's greet them here.
Ja.
We're going to enjoy this once again. Red wine, white wine. This was an amazing evening. I
Yes,
can't
very
wait for
nice.
tomorrow.
Ooh.
Oh, I can't wait. And for the next 6 nights.
Yeah.
I can't wait.
Remember, if you want to go stargazing, come here.
Just, the
Very
stars
nice,
are
bright.
very bright.
Oh,
Yeah. That's
very
amazing.
nice.
I love it. Thank you for coming here with me.
Plezier.
Cheers. We'll see you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye. So, good morning. Oh, it's a nice cool day this morning. Much better than yesterday. Hot weather. Yeah, but what a nice evening we had last night. So, it was so nice. afterwards, after we had our food, we made more fire, and we just sat here watching the fire and watching the sky, the stars. It was so cool. Didn't listen to any music. We shut off everything. Just listened to the night sounds. It was so nice. But now it's time for coffee. My love. Wakey, wakey. I brought you some coffee. Wakey, wakey. Hey, morning, my love.
Hey,
Huh?
morning, my love.
You look beautiful in your white dress.
Oh, thank you.
Huh? Here in the
Yeah.
veld.
Yes, no black today because it's too hot.
Shit, man, I'm telling you, when I came out this morning, it was early, it was like 7:30. It was like cool.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yes.
And I thought it was clouds, but it looks
Yeah.
like it was just mist. I thought we're gonna have a nice cool day, but my goodness,
But
look
listen,
at this.
I've organised myself an aircon.
I see you've got a little fan here.
Really nice thing this.
Cheers.
Cheers.
And what do they say? The leftovers of last night's braai is the best breakfast.
Yeah,
Huh?
we're gonna have a nice bush breakfast. Rugged, take it with a hand, no knife and forks.
Nothing. We just gonna gooi it like this.
Ja.
Huh?
Net klein happies vat.
Flintstones, puppy, Flintstones. Hey, how was that shower this morning?
Very nice.
That was amazing. That
Yes.
shower is just amazing.
And it's nice and cool in there with
Yeah.
the nice
And I love
flow
it.
coming through.
Especially when you're two people. I love it when that shower head
Yeah.
makes a big,
Umbrella.
what do you call it? It throws the water quite
yeah,
wide.
like an umbrella all over you.
Mm,
It's
oh, very, very nice.
Yeah. No, I love this place.
That was very cool.
very nice.
It's just bloody hot.
It's just
But
very
there's a
hot.
little breeze coming up now. Oh, lekker. But today, we're not going to sit in the heat here. We're going to take a drive to Klein Willem.
Yes.
And we're
what
going
did
to,
they say? 30 minutes.
30 minutes drive, and we're going to visit my sister. She stays in Klein Willem on a farm. But anyway, we're going to greet you here. We're still going to enjoy the day. If we find anything in Klein Willem that's interesting, I might add it at the end of this video. But if we don't find anything, then we just had a relaxing day. And
Yeah.
we greet you here.
Yeah, Andrew, I just want to say a special thanks to our sponsor, BC Wines,
Yeah,
for always making it possible to keep our mouths full of wine.
mouse and tummies. Mama, your hearts are flying away.
It's all right.
It's all right. We'll just pick it up again. Okay, we'll see you on the next one. Remember to subscribe. Remember about the Magnum that we're
Yes,
giving
the
away.
competition.
Remember to share our Facebook page, Doing It Together, and to comment in the video. So yeah, that's it. That was a nice one, huh? Lekker party last night.
Lekker party.
That was so
En
cool.
die stof.
Oh, voeten was vuil. Until the next one, we'll see you again. All right, bye-bye. Okay, I said if I find something interesting, I'll show you. And my sister brought us to a new place here in Klein Willem. The place's name is Yamu. Look at this, we just had cocktails here by the bar. Interesting, very interesting place. Look at that. On the sand next to the Klein Willem Dam. Beautiful. And we're gonna have some supper now. Very, very nice. And we've got a bit of a sunset at the back there. Cheers, Mama. How's it? Ja, lekker hier in Klein Willem, hè?
Op die sand.
Thailand vibes.